guys. I heard 2 drones fly not far from me. They both blew. First one exploded. Second one, I think they shot down and exploded. Fuck, that sounds way too close. Oh my god. Oh my god, third explosion. I'm not even looking out my window. Luckily, I'm surrounded by taller buildings, so I can't see anything anyways. Unlike my old house that got blown up. Turn off the lights. You hear another one? Sounds really close to us. I hear an engine flying. The Russian Shahed. It's getting closer. Shit, it sounds really close. It's about to crash somewhere. Yeah, it hit somewhere. Not too close to me now. I think it flew over me. Fucking shit. No. Explosion. That's crazy, right? Close enough that right here the car alarms go off. Shit.
Oh no!
Shit. That's number 4 or 5. Sounds like it flew just overhead. Oh my god, that was way too fucking close. Fuck me, mate. Fuck me. Oh my god. I mean, it's close enough for these cars near me in my yard to go off. Where is it exploding? Oh my god. Guys, I'm at the area where one of the drones hit yesterday. This is just maybe 2 or 3 blocks from my house, and I actually was here yesterday morning at the coffee shop. So it's kind of crazy to see the gas broken. There's a lot of broken windows everywhere, including across the street. The explosion was so loud that I actually heard all the cars basically went off. All the alarms went off near me. It's like piles of debris here. What's up?
Where did it actually hit?
I think it was just shot down here, actually. Luckily, yeah. But it just the impact broke all the windows. But luckily, the Shahed hit right here, actually. And that's my coffee shop right there. Where it says coffee. That's crazy. Here's some of the burnt down debris from last night. Oh, you know what? It hit this thing right here, this parking structure. People probably hiding down here in the shelter. That's crazy, right? You can see it right here. That's wild. I don't know if we're supposed to walk in here or not. Shit, come on. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. Broken glass and everything. And what's really crazy is literally I was here yesterday morning. And this is a really nice place to live. This is my district, Obalon. I mean, not Obalon, Codil, but Obalon also I hit. I'm so happy this cafe didn't get damaged. I love that place. But this apartment, Gordon's a really nice place. And the place that got hit in Obalon, actually, one of the Shaheds went into someone's apartment, into their kitchen. Luckily, it didn't explode for some reason. But I'll show you a photo of that. Imagine that. Whew, guys, so last night was a really loud night. You heard it as well in Obalon, I'm sure. Yeah. This is like what, 2-3 blocks from my house.
Yep.
So this was like a little bit too close to comfort because when I heard the drone actually fly over my head. So I heard the lawnmower sound, and then I heard the explosion very close to me.
It's actually landed on the roof.
Oh shit! Yeah,
Top floor.
there was one there, and then maybe some debris fell from the roof here.
Yes, this is where this is all the metal from the roof.
For the roof, that makes sense.
So it's landed on the roof, so it's gone into the top, not the side of the building.
Ah, well.
So yeah,
I hope everyone's okay on the top floor. This is why people don't want to rent top floors anymore. Because, you know, the penthouse, the top floor of most cities is usually kind of the best place, but during war...
Have you noticed that all the windows with double glazing are good?
Yeah.
But all the single glazing on the older apartments are broken.
Ah.
So...
That means the construction of this building is pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't know if you can actually see up there, but yeah, definitely got hit there. But yeah, this is my coffee shop, guys. I was here yesterday morning working. Like, it's literally my favorite coffee shop in my neighborhood. And a day later, or not even a day later, that very night, explosions. They have no electricity now. You want to see my coffee shop? They don't have any power, but it's the nicest coffee shop around this area. Hello. Oh my God, is it okay? Your cafe?
So.
Yeah. Fucking Russia. I'm glad that the windows haven't got blown out. I was sitting here yesterday, and like, you can see how close this was to the damage. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. You guys, remember this coffee shop I was at yesterday? That I'm at every day? Well, right next door, Russia hit with a drone last night. Literally right here. How insane is that? I mean, to be honest, the damage here is considered pretty minor compared to the other places that got hit. I think 7 people were injured, but so far nobody's dead, which is good. This is just scary because it's so close to my house, and there's absolutely no military targets in this area. I don't even think there's a energy facility around here. This is just like people's houses. Like, these are nice houses as well. There's a synagogue across the street. Maybe Russia's tired of them. Who knows? But it's scary, right? Either way, whatever excuses people have, Russia shouldn't be sending hundreds of drones into our city anyways. They don't need to be starting this war or continuing this war. People who say, oh, it's Ukrainian air defense for shooting down the drone. Well, here's the thing. If they don't shoot it down mid-air, and these land on their actual target, does a lot more damage. Or if it destroys our energy infrastructure, that's, first off, that's a war crime. Russia shouldn't be targeting our heating and try to freeze us out this winter anyways. They try to hit our dams, which are cause flooding, kill tons of people, and be ecologically destructive. You know, and Russia just has terrible aim. Like, they know that by now. Like, people, I can't believe that people still make excuses saying, oh, well, this specific instance was this. I'm like, come on. It's been 3.5 years of Russia hitting tens of thousands of civilian buildings. Like, Russia knows, and they don't care. Please stop making excuses for Russia. Like, it's really insulting to Ukrainians who have lost their homes and their lives.
Russia has carried out large-scale aerial attacks on cities across Ukraine overnight. At least 2 people were killed after a drone hit a residential building in the capital, Kyiv. 4 others died in strikes on the surrounding region. Ukraine said the attacks targeted oil and gas infrastructure and caused power cuts across the country. The southeastern region of Zaporizhia was also hit. The new onslaught came after a summit between US President Donald Trump and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin was called off.
But thank you so much for all the service workers who come, like literally the very next day and clean up. Because I guarantee tomorrow when I come, it's going to look like nothing happened. There's going to be new windows, or maybe some will be boarded up temporarily. But life will kind of go on as normal again. As normal as we can be, I guess. You know, we're a few blocks away. And there's a broken glass over here too, just from the shockwaves. No, that's double pane glass. On top, the white one. That signal on the ground, the wood. On the top it's glass. I'm lucky that my apartment didn't. My windows are there.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
This is further away than your apartment.
This is slightly closer. This is closer. And maybe just the way that the shockwaves went, right?
Depends on the direction the drone came.
Yeah. But I'm very lucky. I'd be pissed if I was covered in glass right now.
And rips all your new Adidas gear.
Oh, I'd be so pissed. Mongol warlords coming back out. So, some gas lines might have gotten nicked. Dangerous. More broken glass here. What am I looking at? Oh, they're boarding windows up over here even. Man. My whole area of Bodil. Like, Bodil. And this is the first time during the war that Russia's gonna hit this area because there's nothing military here. There's nothing military here at all. I don't think there's anything,
Just cafes.
yeah. It's like the historical area. It's definitely a Russian escalation. See you, mate. Oh, he's moving back to Sweden, actually. My last time seeing him until next summer when he comes to visit. It's hard to live out here, guys. Winters are hard in Ukraine. Especially in Russia. Even though my district is without power, it seems like they have electricity here near my Ukrainian school. So I'm gonna have a bit of a business lunch. A little soup and bread before class. Alright, what do we have? Some marinated cucumbers, a bit of chicken cutlet mashed. How much do you think this lunch will be? Juice, bread, soup, and mash. Call this a business lunch special. Alright, nice little business lunch. I think they call it business lunch because it's made for people who work nearby to have a quick set meal. There's only one item per day, so you don't even get to choose at this place. You just said, you know, you go in and they say to you, you want the business lunch, the set lunch? You're like, yeah. I guess you can ask what it is, but it's always good, so I don't even ask. Like, surprise me. and the whole thing was $6.50, I think. I think it was like $2.50 with tip and everything, about a little bit less than $7. Not bad, right? And here we are at my language school. My teacher there.
Добрий день.
Добрий день. Це я.
Проходьте, будь ласка.
Дякую, дякую.
Робити вам чай.
Чай? Каву є? Є чай? Давай.
Є чай, є кава.
Можна чай, будь ласка.
Чорний чи зелений?
Зеленський чай. Зелений чай. будь ласка.
Зелений? У нас є трав'яний.
Зелений. Дякую.
Трав'яний це herbal.
Трав'яниця. Ні. Я не так кафін.
Це без зйомки.
Ого.
Це тільки для...
I never seen that before. Ого. Це кухня.
Так, тільки
Кухня.
кухню знімати не можна.
І холодна. І холодильник. І холодильник.
Так. Тільки кухню не виставляйте, будь ласка. Добре?
Добре. Ого. Є
так,
спортку.
дивіться.
Хоріока є.
М'ята іван-чай.
No. Я нужна кафін. Можна зелений чай, ні?
Це теж зелений.
Так.
А, це не трав'яний. Тут можна вибрати.
Так. Все можна. Манго. Манго є. Ого.
Звичайно. Тут шматочки прям манго будуть.
З волотий манго чай. Так?
Золотий.
Золотий манго чай. Дякую. Скільки коштує?
Для студентів Language Lab безкоштовно.
Ого, дякую. Yes, look, I had a whole conversation and the secrets came over. It's working. Okay. She chose the perfect things we will need from because last night of
Все, що нам знадобиться. Графік відключень,
так.
про світло.
Світло. Немає, зараз немає світла.
Немає світла. Так.
Можна відколічення.
Можливе відключення.
Можливо.
That is possible.
Можливо без... Okay. Can I say? Можливо світла немає.
Світла не буде. Future
Не буде.
tense.
Не буде.
Так. They already don't know if you will have light or not.
Немає. Okay. Дякую. Well, after my Ukrainian class, I'm walking home. The 45 minutes walk. The best thing about training for that marathon is it kind of forced me to start doing long walks. I used to always take the metro home. And now I think about it, I'm like, why did I do that? I could have just walked. I mean, the metro wasn't really that close anyways. It was like a 10-minute walk to the metro. You have to go down the stairs, which takes another 10 minutes. And then actually have to transfer from the red line, or no, from the green line to the blue line. And that takes another 10 minutes. So it was like a 45-minute trip anyways. So it was almost the same amount of time to get home. And now I can actually just walk and enjoy the city, see these beautiful Miatas, and get a little exercise. So as long as the weather is okay, and maybe even when it's not, to be honest, I guess unless it's like pouring rain or something, I think I'll just always do this walk, at least home, because it's downhill. Going there uphill is a bit of a different story, I guess, but I guess I could still do that if I really wanted to train myself. By the way, I really love fall during, I guess, autumn, with all the leaves. It's so beautiful, right? I guess if this old grandma can walk up this huge hill, I have no excuse why I can't.